Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me again. I know I'm kind of wearing the same outfit that I was wearing in my last videos, but all my boxes came on the same day and I kind of needed to film them all on the same day so I can edit them and get them up because some people really want to see what's in the boxes. I'm sitting here kind of opening the boxes for talking. But so this box is going to be one that I newly discovered, and this excites me. This and my Walmart box really excite me every month. It is our Target box, our Target beauty box. This one is a little different this month because it is white, and I think the shape is slightly different. I think it's a little bit longer. But this little guy is only $7. They sell out ridiculously quickly on Target, and they are extremely hard to get. Sometimes you can get them in store. I don't really have a Target near me, so it's not really accessible. But as soon as I saw the alerts, as soon as I saw that I got the alert, I jumped on and I grabbed it, and I was one of the lucky ones. So let's get into her and see what it's all about. These boxes are not usually only beauty related. There's definitely hair care products in here, and sometimes toothpaste and erasers and other things, and it's just like the Walmart box, and they're just amazingly exciting. And I can't seem to get into mine. Aha! I did it! I am successful. So here's what she looks like. I am one of these people who keeps all of these boxes because I actually use them. So they do come in very They do come in very handy, and they feel nice too. So anyway, let's open her up. They do a very nice presentation. I'm loving the summer for the colors, the oranges and the yellows, and just all the brightness. It makes my day. And this one says, "Hello Fresh Face." And on the back, they are telling you the products, which I will not look at the moment. And they do give you a $3 off coupon off of $15 or more. And you can use it on Target.com as well. So let's get in. Very pretty and nice tissue paper that they have here. I am not going to look per usual. I don't know what to grab first. What did I say? They gave us, I think this is toothpaste. Is this toothpaste? Optic White Platinum. And can I open it? It says it whitens teeth in 3 days. Yeah, it is I don't know if this is a full-size thing of toothpaste, but either way, I like it. I like it a lot. I could use whiter teeth for sure. If it is full size, those are really expensive toothpaste. This next, which is... Ooh, we got another pair of eyelashes for someone who really doesn't wear eyelashes. Maybe they're trying to tell me something. These are by Eylure, which I have heard a lot about. They look like they're very, very natural lashes, and they look a little even small. So I think if you want that natural look, these would be absolutely perfect for you. They are number 3. They come with a little baby applicator and a little teeny tiny thing of glue. And I'm sure these are definitely worth, I think so far we got our box price worth. Absolutely. The next item I am pulling out is, this is a new one from Neutrogena. I like the packaging. This is a mascara. Another mascara. This is cute because it has a little bubble. I don't know, wait, can you see it? I just like the way they packaged it. They're showing that the brush, this looks like a bristle fiber brush, and this is actually waterproof, which is really good for me for the summer. It says that it has hyaluronic acid in it, which of course you know is amazing. Formulated to help plump lashes from the core. Adds a boost of hydration and shine. I'm going to be curious to try this. I may bust this one open today. But again, I think we've already gotten the price of our box, and there is still more products in here, and I am pulling out Good Chemistry Queen Bee. I have not heard of this, nor tried the fragrance before. Ooh. It says it's the scent with the notes of it. Why do they call it notes? Anyway, it is a perfume with essential oils. It's black, currant, peony, and amber. Let's try it. The only thing I don't like is it's not a spray bottle. It's one of those wand types. Oh, yum. Oh, that is awesome. Holy. Okay. I am so into perfumes lately. Okay, I'm in love. I have to look this one up. and see if I can afford it, because I'm in love. Good Chemistry. I've never heard of them before, but they do have some good chemistry, I gotta tell ya. I think, is there one or two more things? I think there's only one. No, yeah, maybe two. Yep. Okay. The next thing is a little baby. I just got this in one of my other boxes. Yep. I'm gonna have enough micellar water for like ever. This, and I have the same one, but in a bigger sample. And this is, oh, I know what I got this. I got this in my BeautyCon mystery bag. This is Skin Active Micellar Cleaning Water. This is a perfect little baby travel sized. If I went anywhere, it would be fabulous. But if you guys go somewhere, go get the box. Last thing in the box is, it is Major Matte Lipstick in the shade Daydreamer. I just, itchy nose. But what brand? Let's put on my glasses. I'm going to have to look at the card to figure out what the brand is, but I really like the color. You know what? I don't care if I have a lot of lipsticks open. I'm going to swatch it anyway. Major Matte. The color Daydreamer. Oh, that's a really pretty. It's so similar to the other one, the Ofra one we just got. Okay, how about we try a little bit on? I do have other lipstick on, but I like it. I don't think it has a smell. Let's see how it dries down while I'm reading the card. Oh, and there's one more thing in here. Okay. I'm sorry. We got two little baby cotton rounds. Two little ones. Maybe one for each eye. One for each little eye. I'm not complaining. The box is $7. Let's read the card. What is wrong with me today? Now this one does not give the prices. So we had to get the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Mascara. It says it has vitamin E, hyaluronic acid, and keratin enriched formula. Instantly plumps and strengthens every lash from root to tip for all over volume. That's cool. Okay. It is Sleek Makeup. I've never tried. I've seen Sleek Makeup all over the place. I have never tried Sleek Makeup. And so far, it's drying down a little sticky. I'll let you know. Major Matte Lip Cream. It is a matte finish lipstick that has a light as air texture. I agree with that. It's kind of moussey. That provides comfortable wear and long-lasting color that won't cake, flake, or dry out. There's a trick. Matte lipstick is drying, so the key is to exfoliate before applying. Dab Vaseline onto lips. Use a toothbrush, and yeah, they're just saying exfoliate your lips. Or buy lip scrub. Good Chemistry fragrance. Sweeten up in this fresh fragrance that contains vibrant notes of blackcurrant, peony, and amber. Yeah, I'm in love with that. The Garnier Micellar Water. We all know what micellar water does. And I said, I happen to like it. I have it. I do use it. The Colgate Optic White Express White Toothpaste. Optic White Express White Toothpaste. Okay. And yeah, just telling you what to do with toothpaste. And the Up and Up Premium Cotton Pads, lint-free, dual-sided cotton rounds are durable, soft, and gentle, making them perfect for all your skincare needs. I said I will try the two of them together and let you know. I happen to use the Shiseido. Once I saw them on a beauty channel and I tried them, I got addicted. They are the best because now when I use other ones, I'm just spoiled. So that is our $7 Target Beauty box. They're trying to tell me something with these eyelashes that they want me to try them on. I'm going to be doing that. I'm going to do that on camera and embarrass the bejeebies out of myself. But at least, if I do so, hopefully you will laugh and get entertained. Let's see if this smudges. Well, I put it a little thick. It does smudge slightly, as you can see. It feels like it would dry down quite a bit, and it is pretty stay-proof. Now, I did have other matte liquid lipstick on, and you can see the actual color I put on my lips did not stain, and there's a little outline of my mouth. How cute is that? But yes, that is it. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you bought and get this box because they're just so much fun. And for $7, it's like a little treat. And it's things you can actually use, like the toothpaste and stuff like that. It's totally worth it. I think you definitely get your value. But I do hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed this video, I would so appreciate it if you would stick around and maybe subscribe and or like and or comment and talk to me, because I love talking to you guys. It's my favorite thing in the world to do. And thank you again. I hope, as usual, you are having an amazing day, an amazing week, and I will see you all very soon in the next one. Bye!